teachers and my dear friends, today is my last day at UKG. We all are here to celebrate Convocation Day. I would like to share some of my experiences in UKG. I had a great time. We learned reading, writing, addition, subtraction, good habits, etc. And also we celebrate special days like Children's Day, Teachers' Day and Colors Day that make us grow physically and mentally. Thank you all my teachers for making me bloom and grow. I love all my teachers. I hope your blessings always with me. My dear friends, today is our day. We all are going to first standard. Congratulations. I will miss you, Ashmila Miss.